How to unlock the world around you with Geokey. Open the garage door with ease by opening your Geokey app. Swipe right on the garage entrance. You should see Unlocked in the middle of your screen. The door will close automatically. Internet connection in an elevator can sometimes be difficult. Our best practice recommendation is that before entering the elevator, you'll need to open the Geokey app. Push the up or down button on the elevator panel, then swipe right on the elevator access point. There is a 30-second timer that starts upon the unlocked prompt on the Geokey app screen, and from there, you can step into the elevator and press the selected floor button inside the elevator shaft. In the event that you do end up in the elevator and the button did not take, you are always able to get out on the first floor, as that is the fire exit floor of the elevator and always available for selection. Interior doors, no key. Bluetooth devices can only be unlocked when near the device. Your desired access point won't be visible in the app until you are near the door and the Geokey app can detect the Bluetooth device. Once the access point is visible, swipe right to open your access point.